2 yellowfin today, and the 2 lines on the back are today's catch, or part of today's catch, and then we've got some stuff on the first line which has been going 3 days. Let's examine closer. It looks pretty damn tasty.
Easter Sunday, and here's Dave. He's making a special Easter Sunday breakfast.
Today we mainly have refried beans,
Refried beans,
tomatoes,
lovely. What have you got there? Fried potatoes.
unfried potatoes at this point,
Right. Oh, and there they are frying. They look gorgeous.
and a bit of bacon that's already done.
Oh, that looks lovely and crispy.
There we go.
Excellent.
Easter
We're
Sunday.
chilling out.
Listening to Nirvana Unplugged.
Nirvana Unplugged. Chris is plotting all the boat positions of all our other fellow cruisers that are making this passage to the Marquesas.
What I'm meant to be doing.
That's what he's supposed to be doing, allegedly. But he's not actually, he's playing with films. This is our Easter Sunday day. It's a lovely calm sea, it's flattened out completely. We're flying our beautiful spinnaker. There she is. All the rainbow colours. And we're going in a southeast, southwesterly direction. We're 4 days out. We reckon probably another 19 days to go, all being well.
You might be mistaken for thinking we've gone all the way down to the roaring 40s or the furious 50s. We're actually at 6 degrees south and enjoying corned beef hash surprise.
Yeah.
And what's the surprise?
It's actually a curry.
Curry powder. Because of the sea state, we're on corned beef hash for the second day. And there's going to be a variety of corned beef hash every day until the weather settles down.
It's a bit like Heinz 57. But can you think of 57 corned beef varieties? A bottle of the inestimable Underager, the unputdownable Underager. And we have coq au vin for Sunday lunch. And where are we?
We're halfway to the Marquesas. We're 1,500 miles from the Galapagos. We're 1,500 miles from the Marquesas.
And we're at least 1,500 miles to anywhere else that is solid ground on the surface of this planet.
And 2,000 miles to the continent of South America.
So, time for a glass of wine. Cheers. This is day 12B. What happened, Chris?
Well, broke in two, so we now have 2 poles instead of 1. But I'm going to do something